In this video, we're going to show you how to upload your pictures, create your profile picture. This is the profile picture here, the small circle. This is a little photo gallery you can create, as well as to personalize your fundraising page. So to get to our fundraising page, we'll log in. You'll go to your home page here. This is your fundraising page, dashboard. Start by clicking Add Pictures and just upload new images. When you first click, there will be nothing here, so you'll have to populate this. It's pretty simple. Choose File. I've got a few on my desktop. Go ahead and click that one there. We'll open that up. Submit. And then that one will show. I just added this picture down here at the bottom. And then to create a profile pic, you'll want a picture of yourself, obviously clean shaven by April 30th. So imagine that this handsome fella here didn't have his mustache. We would use this photo to create the profile pic. It's going to give you a little crop bar. Get that nice and centered up. Save that, and boom. Now you have this over here as your profile pic, and you can check your page out by going here, view your page. Now, you're all set up here. Now, I'm going to show you how to edit some of this content down below. This creates a little bit of a photo gallery here. So login kind of gets you back to start. Okay, so you'll go to edit your page over here on the right. And now you have a text screen here. You can change this up. I've added my mustache name there, said a little bit about the coronavirus here. And this video is, if you click here, you can add an image. If you click on the play button, you can upload a video. If you know how to embed videos from YouTube, it's very simple. But this is just a test video here if you happen to go to my page. But ultimately, you can put things there every day. You can put regular content. You can talk about the charities you're growing for, whatever you want your donors to see. And then, again, when you're done, always click Save Changes. I didn't have any, but then view your page. And this is what the world will see, is this right here. So hope that was helpful. Let us know if you have questions. Thanks.